In a previous video, I proved that bifacial solar panels do create extra power. So we tested the Callsun 200-watt solar panel. We tried a whole bunch of different backgrounds. We saw the results together, and Callsun was kind enough to send me their 210-watt version to review. So we're going to do the same test that we did before. We're going to do it with this panel and see if it's any different. And I'm curious if the 210 version is the same one as the 200, it tested better at the factory, or if it's a completely different design. But we're going to see if this is the right solar panel for you. With opening it up, you can see that this is a split bifacial panel. The specs are 210 watts, maximum voltage 34.2, maximum current 6.1 amps, open circuit voltage, which is what you should really be interested in, 40.3 volts, and then your short circuit current is 6.5. So essentially 40.3 and 6.1 are the measurements you should care most about. Now it does have a commitment of 25 years as the actual lifespan, and it should retain 84.5% of its output. Now, I like the black frame on it. That is my favorite out of all the solar panel designs. I know if you have your silver frame on the outside, you're going to have a panel that runs slightly cooler, but the black frame blends in so much better, especially when you have multiple panels. Here's the back side. Obviously, you can see that it is a bifacial. It does have, unfortunately, a minor amount of shipping damage. There is a dent right here. Maybe you can see it a little bit better with this angle, but there is a little bit of a dent there. The panel is perfect though, no damage at all to the actual glass. And that's the important part. For the first test, the panel is flat on the ground. It is at a slight angle, both forward and to the side facing the sun. It is around 2 o'clock, so it is not at peak solar, but this should get us very close to the numbers we're trying to achieve. The jack array is showing 189 watts at the peak for a 210 watt panel. Next, we're going to lift it up about 3 feet in the air and have the grass as a background to see how well the bifacial gain works with the green background. With the panel up in the air, now we're at 209 watts. So a pretty big increase, and you can see how it is currently mounted. And now we're hitting 197 with it up in the air above the gravel rock. With the white background, the best that I've seen so far is 201. With this test setup, it is not optimal. If it was raised a bit higher and I had a better background, I believe this would hit 210 watts. But overall, quite happy with its performance. This is definitely a very solid solar panel. My only recommendations would be to improve how that the panel is packaged. The dent in it is something that's not a big deal to me, but to others it might be. So improving on the packaging materials might be a good thing to do. But besides that, it's definitely a very nice panel. So if you're looking for a panel in that 200 watt range, this 210 would be absolutely perfect for you. I'll have the links below, and thanks again for watching Mike's Solar Garage.